Welcome to the channel. If you're aiming for healthier cooking without the harmful chemicals, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a look at the top 5 best non-toxic air fryers, perfect for guilt-free frying with materials that are free from PTFE, PFOA, BPA, and other unwanted toxins. These picks offer safe cooking, excellent performance, and easy cleanup. Check the description below for up-to-date prices and full product details. If you enjoy clean cooking and smart kitchen tips, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon for more. Let's get cooking, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. GreenLife Compact Electric Air Fryer. Experience healthier cooking with this Sage 5.3-quart air fryer featuring a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick interior, ensuring meals free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Its advanced air crisp technology uses rapid 360 degrees air circulation and precise temperature control to deliver perfectly crispy food with up to 95% less oil. The spacious 5.3-quart drawer easily fits large family-sized meals while maintaining a compact footprint on your countertop. With 8 one-touch cooking modes, air fry, fries, roast, bake, fish, steak, veggies, and wings, you can customize cooking time and temperature for a variety of dishes. The large viewing window and interior light let you monitor your food without opening the drawer, preserving heat. Designed for convenience, the Easy Slide drawer has a stay-cool handle for safe access. Cleanup is effortless with a dishwasher-safe drawer and tray coated with non-stick ceramic. Perfect for anyone seeking versatile, healthier cooking at home. Number 4. Big Boss Extra Large Glass Air Fryer. The Big Boss Air Fryer is a versatile 16-quart countertop appliance that lets you fry, bake, grill, and roast your favorite foods with little to no oil, helping you enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Its easy-to-use design features 2 simple dials for temperature control and a timer with auto shutoff, plus popular food directions printed right on the unit for convenience. The transparent glass bowl allows you to monitor cooking progress without opening the chamber, keeping heat inside for faster cooking. The included extender ring expands the capacity to 16 quarts, large enough to cook a full turkey, and the 2-tier shelf lets you prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously. Powered by triple cooking technology, halogen, convection, and infrared heat, with 1,300 watts, this air fryer delivers even and efficient. Number 3. Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven. This stainless steel and black 6-quart air fryer is the perfect kitchen companion for healthier, hassle-free cooking. With 5 convenient presets, French fries, wings, frozen snacks, vegetables, and leftovers, it allows you to prepare a wide variety of meals quickly and easily. The advanced hot air circulation technology crisps food evenly with minimal oil, helping you enjoy your favorite fried foods without the excess fat. Precise temperature control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and an automatic warming mode ensure your dishes are cooked perfectly and stay warm until served. The large viewing window and digital display allow you to monitor your food without opening the basket, while the toss reminder helps flip food midway for even crisping. Its spacious 6-quart capacity accommodates family-sized portions, making it ideal for everyday use. Backed by a limited 3-year warranty, this air fryer combines performance, convenience, and durability for a healthier kitchen experience. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster. This versatile 26-quart stainless steel air fryer and multi-cooker combo is perfect for preparing meals for 4 to 6 people. Featuring 25 cooking presets, including ribs, bake, toast, chicken, pizza, slow cook, and more, it easily handles a wide variety of dishes. The dual-speed fan circulates superheated air 360 degrees for golden, crispy results without the excess oil. The toaster function offers perfectly done toast with an automatic shutoff timer and clear indicator lights to prevent burning. Its extra-large capacity accommodates a 6-pound rotisserie chicken or a 12-inch pizza, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. The elegant French doors open smoothly with a single pull, revealing an interior light for easy food monitoring. Built with a sleek stainless steel exterior, this appliance adds a modern touch to any kitchen while providing multifunctional cooking convenience all in one countertop device. Number 1. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. This versatile 10-quart programmable air fryer oven combines multiple cooking methods in one convenient countertop appliance. Air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, or roast your favorite meals to crispy perfection with rapid air heating technology that cooks food fast and evenly, no preheating required. Designed for healthier cooking, it uses up to 98% less oil than traditional fryers, helping you prepare delicious meals with less fat. The easy-to-use capacitive touch control screen offers 17 preset options, simplifying meal preparation for all skill levels. With its extra-large 10-quart capacity, this appliance is perfect for family-sized meals or meal prepping. The package includes 3 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie spit with a retrieval tool, and a drip tray for convenient cooking and cleanup. Interior lights and a large viewing window allow you to monitor your food's progress without opening the oven, ensuring perfect results every time. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.